Hello. Yes, yes. Can you see me?
Yes, yes, I can see.
Yes, yes. Good morning, brother.
Good morning, good morning. How are you?
Yes, I'm great. What about you?
Uh, I am also doing very well. So, first of all, I want to say that I want to give you
Yes,
very
yes.
thank you because you brought me on this cafe because I had no any clue, no idea about this app. And I think I saw your video when I was scrolling on YouTube, and I I came across of your video. I saw your video. Then I thought that how to connect with you. Then I read your description. I get your number and try to contact you. And also you help me. So that's why very very thank you to you.
Yes, yes. It's my pleasure. And thank you for watching my video. And first of all, we are meeting first time. So please introduce yourself. Okay.
Okay. First of all, I am Amit and I am from Bhagalpur, Bihar, and I have done my graduation in English, and I am very curious to know about the people's thoughts and ideas. And I also want to interact with different kinds of people and know about him, their ideas, so that I also can learn from the those ideas. And I want to say one thing that my hobby is playing cricket, reading books, and also making the videos because I am recently I am very active on the YouTube. So that's all about it.
Yes, yes. Great about hear you. And as you know very well that I am Sukla Haza and I am a YouTuber. And if I talk about my education qualification, I have also done graduation, Bachelor of Arts. And
Okay.
I have a YouTube channel which named English with Suklal. You will get English conversation video, English video like this. Yeah,
Mm.
that was my brief introduction. So please tell me that since when you are learning this language?
So uh, I have been learning, I think, for 2 years because you know very well that when COVID came in our country, so there was no any type of work. So in that time, then I joined the institute and I learned from those institutes. And I also work hard in my home. And right now I am with you, and I think I am trying to improve my English, but I am not well in English
Yeah,
because
yeah,
uh, I had no any types of you can say that sources to talk with people. But recently I already mentioned that I came across a video and I am able to talk.
so bro, please tell me that this is your first conversation by the video call.
Yes, yes, first conversation, and I haven't talked ever. This is my first conversation, and
Yes, yes.
also uh, it is a pleasure for me that you gave me that time to respond my, I think, questions. So very very thank you first of all. So tell me about you.
Yes, yes. You have watched my videos already on YouTube.
Hmm. I saw
Yes,
your video.
yes, yes. So as I came to know by you that you are doing fast conversation, this is your first conversation in your life by video calling. So your performance in order to speak English very well, I can say, because there are not any mistake in your sentence. In there are no any grammatical mistake in your sentence. I can say you are speaking well, and you should also keep continue, and you have to speak English every day so that you can improve more and more. Okay, and now you know very well that about the Skype, and now you can find the people. You have to search any kinds of name there, After that, you will find the people. Okay, and after that, you have to send a request. After that, if he will accept your request, then you will connect with them. After that, you can connect with them. After that, uh, you will do conversation like video call, audio call. After that, you have to save the video. First, we have to record. One person need to record the video. Automatically, two-person will get that video after recording. Okay, yeah,
Okay.
automatically you will get the videos. And by this Skype, we are connected to each other. Yeah,
Hmm.
yes, yes. And
I
it is
I
the free of cost.
I have a question related to technical. You shoot your video through mobile,
Yeah, yeah.
or okay.
We are
So
very,
I have question that I have also YouTube channel, the Soul of Study. Okay,
yes,
but I think recently I made not those that channel. I think 2 years before. I think, but I am active right now on this channel. But I have I think shoot around 80 videos, and I have uploaded those videos on my YouTube. But I think the mobile storage is about to fill, about to full. I think still not full. So can those video can we delete those video or not?
so which kind of videos you have uploaded in your YouTube channel? Which kind of videos? Blog video?
Like related to grammar, sentences, okay. And I also made the videos myself in English
Yes, yes,
conversation.
yes. I understand. I got it, and you should not delete that video, because that video is also the related of education. Okay, and that will not affect on your YouTube channel. You
When
should not.
I
Yes, yes.
when
You
I
should not delete that video.
delete, when I delete those video from my mobile, I think those video also will delete from YouTube.
Yeah, if you will delete your videos from your YouTube channel, and definitely it will be totally deleted.
No, from not YouTube. I want to say that through mobile phone. I think my mobile phone storage is about to full. Okay, storage is full. Can we delete those videos from my mobile?
So, which videos about you are talking? Which the video you have uploaded that video, or the video
Yes,
already you have the
that
on your mobile?
that, that videos. Those videos I made for I think beginners. They are learning English. Okay.
So, have you uploaded?
Yes.
So, if you will delete the uploaded videos from your YouTube channel, so it will be not benefit for your storage, because that is uploaded already.
Uh, I also ask this question from very well Manoj Day, and also different I think YouTuber. Those are I think working. Uh, they have been there working since long. I think long time.
Yes,
But
yes.
they respond my question. So I think this is a problem for me. By the way, and I think I will manage anyhow. So no problem. So tell
Yes,
me
yes.
about uh, in which village do you belong?
Yes, yes. I'm belong from a village. You can see background and you can understand. I am village boy. We live in the village. Yes.
Village. What is name?
Yes, the village area. Name
What
of
is
my
name?
village. Yes, yes. It is named Guacola. Guacola. You know.
Goa Kola. Yes. Goa Kola, Jharkhand.
So which district from
Jharkhand,
you are? Yes, yes. I'm asking you that which district from you are.
Bhagalpur. Know
Yeah,
very
yeah.
well.
Bhagalpur. Yes, yes. I know very well. It is not so far from Jharkhand. It is a border on
Okay.
Bihar.
So Bhagalpur is also known as Silk City of India
Yes,
and the
yes.
second capital of Bihar.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, yes. So please tell me that why did you think that you should learn this language, and why did you choose to English to learn?
Because when I took admission in college and college Bhagalpur, in that time I used to face lots of problem in English. So that's why I thought that we should join any institute so that I can improve my English. Okay, and because of my honors is English, so there is need to join any institute to improve my English. That's why I joined institute and I had learned this language. And right now I am trying to also polish my English so that I can I can also teach any students those who are beginners. So that's why I am learning this language, and I also can interact with different people uh, of India,
Yes,
and I
yes.
that's why.
Yes, yes. Nowadays everybody is crazy behind learning the English, and everybody
Uh,
everybody wants to improve their English, and everybody want to talk with the people in English. And everybody knows that what is the importance of English nowadays. Everybody knows very well. Okay, and it is global language, and everything you will find in the English. Everything whenever you will get, whenever you will go outside from your home, and whenever you will go, suppose you went a market and you will purchase anything, so you will get everything written in the English. Yeah, and
yes,
whenever you go the outside, I mean whenever you will go out state, uh, outside from your state, other state, so there people will speak their own native language. Everybody has their native language, so it will be difficult to communicate with them also. So it is the way to communicate with them that you should also speak the English. Yeah, and also job purpose. If you will find a good job, it's happened that sometimes they demand for an English speaker who can speak English very well. Those students, yeah, they need. So it is important to job purpose that we should speak the English. And whenever you will try to connect with the foreign people, and it is
yes.
necessary that you should speak the English. So I can say that every field requirement language is this. So everybody should learn this language nowadays.
How long had you been learning this language?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. And
How long?
this is the yes, yes. I would like to tell you that this is the best way to improve our speaking English skill. And after connecting with the different people, you will got many changes on yourself after many days. After few days, you will be changed yourself after few days after connecting with the different people like this by Skype. Because after
Yes,
connecting with them, our confidence will be better. Because when I did the first time conversation, I had not confidence to talking with the people, and I did not give up, and I tried again, and I did it continue. After that, I changed myself. So I
yes,
can
yes.
say this is the best way to change yourself, and this is the best way for improving our speaking skill in the English.
And I saw also many videos and different people also talking like this. So how can I get their name and how can I interconnect with those people? Do you have any idea?
Yes, a very good question. And every learner and every speaker, every beginner who are starting like this, and they have many doubts like this, because when I did the first conversion, I thought that how to connect with the people. I had no idea at that time. After after 10 days, after 15 days, I came about this app very well. After that, I thought that this is the trick to connect with the people. You should do one thing. Whenever you will watch their video, you have to comment on their works that I want to talk with you. How can I connect you? If they will reply, then you can connect with them easily. Fast is that. Okay?
Yes.
Did you copy?
So I have to also mention my number in the description.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, yes.
Okay.
You should mention your mobile number and Skype ID. Okay, your Skype ID is Amit Kumar. Okay, and you
Yes,
should
yes,
write there Skype. Find me on Skype. After that, your name you have to return there. You have to write there. Okay, and you should find the people like this, that whenever you will watch their video on YouTube. After that, you have to comment that how can I connect you? I want to talk to you like this. And after that, whenever you will watch their video, and you can find their on their YouTube channel in the description box. If they have mentioned their any ID like Skype ID, then you will find them on Skype by searching their name. After that, you have to request him that I want also talk to you like this. And whenever when you will be continue on Skype, then many people will add you in group. There are many people who already uh, are in the group. Okay, I have also a group. There are about more than 300 people in the group, and you will find the people there. After that, you can request them, and you can talk with them.
This group is, I think, on Skype, otherwise any other app.
Yes, yes, it is. I am talking about that group that is in Skype, and
Okay,
anybody when you will conversation with the different people, and after some time, will when you will have some experience regarding this, they will add you in many groups. Yeah, and when you will be in the group, and definitely you will find many people over there in the group, and you can connect with them easily after that.
that will automatically join me. Otherwise, I have to join.
Please say, what did you say?
That group automatically me join. Otherwise, I have to join.
Yes, yes, anybody can join you in the group. Anybody can add you. I can also add you. If you want
Okay,
that,
okay,
I will add you. I will add you in the
okay,
group. Okay. Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
okay, okay. So
Because because
my earphone battery is draining. Uh,
yes, and now I am also about to going somewhere. Yeah.
okay, okay. I will, when I get chance to interact with you, definitely again I will interact. And it was very nice conversation. And I want to again give you thank you lot to about me on this app. Very very thank you.
Yes, yes. Thank you very much. And it's my pleasure to talking with you also, because you had requested me for 2 days, and I thought that I should connect with you today. Yeah. And
Okay,
yes, yes. Okay, bye.
thank you.